Hi everyone, in this video we'll look at some amazing facts about the beautiful species. Horses. Horses are members of the Equidae family, which also includes zebras and donkeys. They have been domesticated by humans for thousands of years and have been used for transportation, farming, and warfare. The average lifespan of a horse is around 25 to 30 years, although some horses have been known to live into their 40s. The tallest horse on record was a Shire horse named Samson, who stood at 7 feet 2 inches tall. Horses are herbivores and typically graze on grass and hay. They have excellent hearing and can hear sounds up to 2 miles away. Horses have a very strong sense of smell and can identify familiar scents from up to a mile away. Horses have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from plant material more efficiently than other herbivores. They have a large, muscular heart that can pump up to 70 liters of blood per minute. Horses have a natural flight response, meaning that when they feel threatened, their instinct is to run away. They communicate with each other through body language, vocalizations, and scents. Horses have a keen sense of balance and can remain standing even while asleep. They are social animals and prefer to live in groups called herds. Horses are very intelligent and can learn complex tasks through repetition and positive reinforcement. They have a natural ability to jump and can clear obstacles that are several feet tall. Horses are used in various equestrian sports, including dressage, show jumping, and racing. The domestication of horses is believed to have occurred around 4000 BC in the Eurasian steppes. Horses have a natural ability to run very fast and can reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. Horses have a unique set of teeth that continue to grow throughout their lives. The breed of horse with the largest population in the world is the quarter horse, followed by the thoroughbred. Subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.